Alright, I'm gonna show you in this video how to make a cathedral ring with a European shank. We have some customers who are asking for that. Probably in the future we will have it inside the same tool, but now as you can see in the cathedral ring rail we just have the round shape. But there is another workaround that you can use. So we will start first with the ring rail, and then we will do the outside ring rail, and with the outside ring rail we will change the shape and we will use this one that is European. So I select this one, I will just raise this top part. Now on this one I will add the gem on ring rail. Good. On this gem on ring rail I will add a setting. It's just to show you. We'll do it pretty fast just to show you what you can do. And now on this ring rail I will add the profile placer. I will change this one and I will use this shape and the outside curve, this one. And what I will also do is add another profile here at the bottom because I want to taper cathedral ring. So this one I will just make it narrower. Perfect. And now I will run the activate auto sweep. So now I have the auto sweep here. I will make it a bit narrower. Perfect. Okay, so now we have the shape that we want with the European shank, and now of course that what I want to keep is the parametric workflow. So what I will do next is go to curve, and from curve I will use the smart curve, and here on the command bar I will say symmetric vertical and I want it closed. So now here I will start to just, you see, I'm just doing the part that I want to keep hollow. Okay, so now we have this curve that is the part that I'm gonna cut from this solid ring. So once I have this I will go to the solids tab and I will use the extrude planar. Okay, so now we have the extrude planar. And now look, what I will do is, I will make a Boolean difference, but the dynamic Boolean. So first I select, he is asking me the first surfaces, and this is the second surfaces. Alright, so here I have the Boolean command. I will say that I want a Boolean difference, enter, and I already got it. So let me hide this so you can see the result, and very easily we get this. What I can also do is just get the stone and do a cutter. So now we have this cutter. Just be sure that this is just to cut the shank. And again, I will use from solids, the Boolean, select first surfaces, second surfaces, and again Boolean difference. Now of course that you can do the adjustments that you want, so you can go back to the head and just get the ring rail and go for this one and make it a bit higher. I think that is this one. Cool. So now we already have a cathedral ring with the European shape. What happens now if I go to the ring rail and I change the finger size? So I go here, edit, and now from a 7 I will go to a 10 and a quarter. Alright, of course that we have this problem here, but because everything is parametric, the only thing that you need to do is just select the curve, move it, and in just very few clicks you already get the result that you want. If you want to be even more precise, The only thing that you need to do is just select this point here and this point here, and you can move them. So in just one file, you have many options. Okay, so this is a little trick that I want to present you to do the cathedral rings with European Shank. Hope you like it. Thank you.